For years, Apple enthusiasts have been waiting for a larger iMac to return to the lineup. The last true big-screen iMac, the 27-inch model, also known as the iMac Pro, was released in 2017. However, after the introduction of the 24-inch iMac in 2021, Apple has yet to bring back a larger model. The last 27-inch iMac, launched in 2020, was among the final Apple devices to feature an Intel chip. Just months later, the 24-inch iMac debuted with the M1 chip, showcasing a sleek, ultra-thin design and a range of vibrant colors. Over time, it received updates, first with the M3 chip in 2023, and more recently, the M4 chip in late 2024, along with minor design refinements and USB-C accessories. Despite these updates, the absence of a larger iMac remains a glaring gap in Apple's lineup. In 2022, Apple introduced the Mac Studio alongside the 27-inch Studio display, leading many to speculate that this combination had effectively replaced the larger iMac. Interestingly, the Studio display uses the same panel as the 27-inch iMacs from 2014 to 2020, but with an A13 chip to handle display processing. While the Mac Studio offers powerful performance, it doesn't provide the same all-in-one experience as an iMac. Users must purchase both the Studio display and the Mac Studio separately, making it a different proposition altogether. The big question remains: will Apple release a new, larger iMac? Reports suggest that a 27-inch model is unlikely, but this doesn't rule out an even bigger iMac. Instead, reports suggested that it is possible that Apple may introduce a new size, such as a 30-inch or even a 32-inch iMac, to compete with modern high-resolution desktop displays. Given the increasing availability of all-in-one desktops with large screens, it would make sense for Apple to bring back a bigger iMac with its signature integrated design. If a new iMac does emerge, it will likely feature the M4 Pro, and possibly even the M4 Max. However, including the M4 Max could push the price too high, considering that a Mac Studio with M4 Max already costs around $2,000 without a display. A new iMac Pro, equipped with an M4 Pro and a larger display, would likely start at around $3,500, aligning with the cost of a Mac Studio and Studio display combo. Industry insiders like Mark Gurman believe Apple hasn't abandoned the idea of a larger iMac, but leaks have been scarce. If it does arrive, the new iMac Pro could feature a mini LED ProMotion display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, mirroring the MacBook Pro's premium screen technology. If Apple does move forward with this release, it will likely happen in late 2025, around October or November, when Apple traditionally announces new Mac models. The M5 chip is expected to debut first in the iPad Pro in late 2025 or early 2026, so an M5-powered iMac is unlikely anytime soon. With all these possibilities, the real question is, would you be willing to pay $3,500 or more for a new iMac Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more tech updates.